The Reggae Boys ended their two-match tour of the Caribbean unbeaten following their come-from-behind 2-all draw with Barbados on Monday.
After a convincing 5-1 victory over Grenada on Friday, the Reggae Boys found Barbados a different proposition as they had to fight their way to salvage a point in a game in which they could have easily come away the victor. The game was 33 minutes old when Jules Rashard's intended cross was deflected past goalkeeper Damien Hyatt to give Barbados the go-ahead goal. And the Jamaicans were picking the ball out of their net a second time when Zika Edmee found himself all alone on the Reggae Boys' doorstep and he obliged to make it 2-0. The Reggae Boys came close to cutting the deficit in the 67th minute, only to see Tevin Shaw's effort crashing off the upright. And 5 minutes later, Alex Marshall found the Barbados custodian in his way as the score remained 2-0. But the Bajan resistance would come to an end with 10 minutes remaining on the clock, Marvin Morgan firing home for 2-1 and the Reggae Boys were up and running. With the pressure increasing, Barbados gave up a penalty in the 84th minute, which Peter Lee Vassar put away for his third goal on the tour. 2-all then, and it remained that way to the final whistle as the Reggae Boys ended the tour with a win and a draw. They will now turn their attention to the September 9 CONCACAF Nations League against the Cayman Islands at the National Stadium. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.